Hi, I'll show you how to fold this beautiful heart out of a dollar bill. For example, as a heartfelt cash gift for birthdays. No tools or prior knowledge required. Just grab a dollar and fold right along with me. First, we lay it down in front of us like this, and then we fold the short edge onto the short edge. Always tighten all the folded edges well so that your cash gift becomes really beautiful when it's finished. Then we open the fold again because we only used it to create a guideline. And we now fold this short edge to the new guideline in the middle of the bill. Next, we fold the bottom edge onto the top edge of the dollar bill. So far, so easy, right? Don't worry, it will stay that way. However, if I ever explain too quickly for you, you can change the playback speed at any time by clicking on the gear icon in the YouTube player. Now we fold this short edge onto this short edge. That's the top layer. I'll get to that in a second. We now fold this top layer along this short edge upwards. For this, the long bottom edge is placed on the short left edge, creating a diagonal fold. And there is already the tip of our money heart. Only the curves are missing. To create them, we turn our dollar over like this. And then we take these two corners and fold them over a little bit to create small triangles. They form the curves of the heart. And as you probably already guessed, we then repeat the same folds with the other two corners. And after that, you quickly and easily folded a beautiful origami heart out of a dollar bill. Congratulations. Please drop me a line in the comments and let me know why you folded this particular cash gift. And if you like tutorials like this without music and personal chatter, please tell YouTube by giving it a thumbs up. Thanks. Bonus tip: cash gifts look particularly nice when you press them flat with a book overnight. Please subscribe and we'll see us soon at Folding with Yvonne.